Today we're starting the setup for the Naperville Home Show. We're ready to roll out, so let's go.
According to them, we are right in this corner.
So it should be pretty easy. It's basically paint by numbers at this point, so it's gonna be awesome. We try and go the cheapest route possible. This time it happens to be. All right, Frankie, we're here, the Naperville Home Show. You ready? Let's go check it out. Wow, this is awesome. And there's a ton of people in our booth. Stay tuned for the finished product. Hey. Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday in our world. Today we're starting the setup for the Naperville Home Show. We've got a 2-day event going on tomorrow and Sunday. So today we're gonna set up a 20 by 16 foot booth showing a variety of fountainscapes. So that's what we're up to today. Come follow us on our journey. Okay, so we're loaded up, finishing tying down the last little bits. We've got that truck and then we've got the box truck behind me. We're ready to roll out. So let's go. Leaving Aqualand a little late, but we didn't have everything organized. I'm super excited about this show. It's a 2-day event over the weekend in Naperville. It's a quick 1-day setup and quick teardown Sunday night. All right, so we just pulled up. Here's the convention center behind me. Let's go in and find out where we're gonna set up. Let's do this.
According to them, we are right in this corner.
All right, so step one is creating our enclosures for our different pondless fountainscapes. So what the guys are working on is putting these back together. We had to tear them down after the St. Charles show, so we're just kind of working on fixing them back up, attaching all the sides. We've got them all labeled, so it should be pretty easy. It's basically paint by numbers at this point, so it's gonna be awesome. All right, so you guys are probably wondering how we pull this kind of stuff off when we don't actually excavate anything. We have to build up off of a floor. So we try and go the cheapest route possible. This time it happens to be cinder blocks, which you see behind me. So we're gonna do cinder blocks on the outside of our fence, as well as we did do a line, I don't know if you can see this, but we did a line inside, and we're actually gonna use aqua blocks to fill up some of that void space. It's gonna turn out awesome. So
now where I'm standing is gonna be the entrance, or kind of the registration for the entire show. Scott, the show director, said ideally everybody wants to go this way, but we're right here and we're gonna try and funnel everybody this way. So what we did is we pointed everything in my direction, and then, well, what do you think? Faster than the last one? You guys are awesome.
We are rocking and rolling. I sent a couple guys to go get plants. So when they get back, I'll show you what the goodies that they're bringing. So we're almost there, right? What are we waiting on?
For the plants.
Who went to go get the plants?
Timbo.
Oh my God. And how long has he been gone?
4 hours.
4 hours. Unbelievable. So it's not their fault. It does take a while to go to the nursery from here, maybe. Stay tuned for the finished product. Are you ready or what?
So we've got the basalt rocks, right? Oh, we've got our 2018 Water and Garden Showcase brochures. We're gonna hand the crap out of these. So anyways, basalt rocks, which turned out fantastic. I love that you can really notice this fountainscape from 360 degrees. So whether you're over where Billy's standing and Udi's at, or if you're walking down this corridor, or from here, or if you're actually inside our booth, you can see them from all angles. I love the basalt rocks. Also, we've got our new spillway wall, which is a nice little addition to our fountainscape family, as well as the small rippled urn, which is, we're taking a cue from the old stack slate urn. We've got the rippled, the scalloped, and the original stack slate. Birds love that. There's the fire fountain. Obviously, we've got some fake fire in there, but that's just a nice little unique coffee table, end table, anything for a little patio that would fit in great. We've got our patio pond with the toucan spitter. Looks like his mouth is stuck shut. He's drooling. On to the next one. And then here is the pondless waterfall. You can see right up in there, we took a piece of driftwood that already had a hole in it. We put a little pipe in there, so it's just kind of dribbling. And then we've got our waterfall. really turned out awesome. So the guys did a fantastic job putting it back together. It actually, like Tim and I just said earlier, I like it better, we like it better than the last show. So it turned out fantastic. So it's Saturday. Myself and then my oldest son, Frankie, say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna go check out the Naperville Home Show this morning and yeah, just see what it's like. All right, Frankie, we're here at the Naperville Home Show. You ready? Let's go check it out. All right, buddy, you first. So there is considerably more people here than I expected to be. Wow, this is awesome. And there's a ton of people in our booth. So there's Jenna standing in the middle of our booth holding the fort down.
We've had a few people interested. One guy interested in reworking his waterfall. His pond itself looks awesome.
Yeah.
One lady that just wants to surrender her koi fish. It's gotten too big for her 55-gallon
Oh, really?
tank. I met a couple that's interested in a sack slate wall.
This is cool. We are getting a lot of traction with the fountainscapes. You see a lot of finger pointing and, oh, this could fit in my yard. Oh, I love that. Where can we find a spot for this? You hear a lot of that stuff going on right now. So really love seeing how people are interacting with the booth. Lets us know that we had a pretty solid design and that it's interactive and engaging. So that's one thing that you really want to keep in mind when designing booths like this, is making sure that the stuff is engaging for people, where they can touch, they can feel it, they can hear it. You want to capture their attention right from the get-go and hold on to it as long as you can when you're doing a home show like this.
Hey guys, so I'm at Naperville Home Show, Home and Garden Show, and a lot of people think home shows are dead. And if you look around me, I mean, this place is bustling. Like, there's so many people around here. Like, people behind me are even say the best booth ever.
Best
right? Best booth.
I love the drooling.
So the drooling pelican. We have a really cool 16 by 20 foot booth showing off all kinds of great stuff, and I'll just take you on a quick walkthrough.
We're in the final minutes of the Naperville Home Show. The guys are waiting out in the parking lot to get the okay from the show director for us to come in and start tearing this thing down. But we had, I would say, moderate to good success here. We had a lot of foot traffic. They had over 10,000 people in the show this weekend, which is cool. We signed up a half a dozen consultations or so, steered a lot of people back to our retail store. You know, got people interested in the Aquascape lifestyle. Wow. Wow. That's all I gotta say is wow. It's about an hour and 40 minutes after we started cleaning up, and I'm standing in the middle of our booth right now. This is incredible. Huge shout out to Team Aquascape for pulling this thing off. We just crushed it. You know, it's Sunday night, we all want to get out of here, so we got in front of thousands of people. We couldn't be more pleased with how the show went out, how it was ran. Scott, the director, was great. Hopefully we'll do it again next year. Look at that, we're done. Till the next time, we'll see you later. So I just got done with a non-surgical facelift from the booth right behind ours. How do I look?